everyone, welcome to another video. My name is Lori and welcome to my life. Today I have a Mint Mongoose jewelry subscription. Stay tuned. Okay, hey everybody, glad to be back and filming. This is my second filming today. I just did so I can't even remember what box I did. Yes, I do. I did an Ipsy Glam Plus bag. So that's the one that I'm getting. I'll link it above once it comes out. Now I'm doing Mint Mongoose. So let me tell you quickly about Mint Mongoose. It is a jewelry subscription. They have two subscriptions that you could do. You can do the regular one, which is what I do. It's $15.99. It has 3 pieces worth at least $40. Then there is the, Mint Mongoose Black, and it has 4 items, which is $22.99. And you can either get this one or that one. I have been doing this for about a year. I'm sticking with my it was $12.99, so I'm sticking with my $15.99. So my 3 pieces could be in any color. So when you do, you go on there, click below, my referral link is on there. You can pick in your profile what kind of metals you like. Do you like gold, silver, or surprise me? I haven't done surprise me. I did silver in the beginning because I love silver, but you know, now I'm starting to like gold again. So I just write surprise me. On your 4th month, you do 3 months. On the 4th one, you will get an extra little goodie inside your bag, which I got last month for my June subscription, what I'll link right here. I got a little pair of socks. So that was nice. So I am on my subscription. Again, I shouldn't get the extra on this one because this one is like the next set of 3. So for those of you who do not know me, my name is Lori. Welcome. I'm glad that you're here. Come hang out with me. To those subscribers that hang out with me already, I appreciate you coming back. Lots of videos to make, lots of reviews to do, and lots of fun, right? So those of you who are not subscribers yet, please subscribe below, click the bell, and then hit the like button if you like the video. So as you know, that like button is very important for us, that when we do videos, we can be put into more algorithms of the YouTube world. So I really need that. I'm at 81 subscribers. I am working to get 100. I am so excited. I'm 19 away. Once I hit the 100 subscribers, I have a massive giveaway. I'm excited. It has skincare, it has makeup in it, it has lifestyle items in it, and much, much more. So I will be doing a video just for that, just to show you prior to doing the actual contest. But you will need to be subscribed to my channel, and we'll see what else once we get there. I have 19 more to go. So today I have this. This is what you came here to see. So let's go ahead and open it up. I'm not sure if I just told you. I told you kind of a little bit about me, but I am also legally blind. So I wear very powerful glasses to do my videos. These are the power of 5, and that is what I can kind of see the colors and the shapes and stuff with. And then I have a power of 10, which is what I use normally on the computer when I'm at work. I am employed full-time. I've been working for the same company for 16 years. So if you want to see more of my life, click subscribe, because you know I do things a little bit differently. So let's check out this bag. My allergies are totally up today. Okay, so that. Okay, I'll have to look at that later. As you know, I can't see it. Oh no. Okay, there's the Werther's, and it got mushy in the mail. So I was wondering, usually it falls out and we have a little sweet treat every time. And Werther's are gluten-free, which means that I can eat them because I'm gluten-free. So let's kind of check out. This is how your package comes when you pull it out of there. I have this little handy dandy black velvet that I'm gonna put all of my stuff on so that you can see it better. So let's see what we got. Should get 3 pieces. I do see 3 pieces. I am not the best at untangling something, so let's hope they're not tangled too bad, right? Okay, so here are my 3 pieces. There's my first one, second one, and third one. So hopefully, did I put those low enough so you can see? You know, sometimes I'll be showing you things and I've got the item way too high than I should. I'm kind of trying to gauge where I've got everything at. So let's kind of see what we got, and then we will put it on the black velvet so that you can see it better, okay? So we're gonna open the first package. And yes, I'm throwing garbage all over my floor. Okay, so this is, this is their earrings in here. And they are gold. That's pretty. This is what they look like. Can you see that? They're super cute. So we will put those on the board in a minute. So this month is gold. I think they have rose gold too. And you know, I've got a ton of jewelry from them. And it's lasting. It's beautiful and it's lasting, and I'm having no problems at all with it. Okay, let's see if I can get this one opened. Yeah. Okay, so I am filming in my beach room, as you guys can see. I did a little, in one of my vlogs, I did a video in here. I love this room. The beach is my happy place. I live in Arkansas, and one day I want to move to the Caribbean. So we'll see if that day comes, right? Okay, let's get this untangled. Okay. Oh, that is pretty. So we could layer that with something. Look how pretty that is. Totally pretty. This is gonna look wonderful on this jewelry card. So if any of you guys do videos on jewelry, go to Hobby Lobby, and they have these cards, and they're all different shapes and all different kinds. And I have found that you guys can see my stuff better that way. You know, even doing it on me, you're not gonna really see it as well. You need a dark background. So let's see what's in my third package. And it is the second necklace. Oh, that is beautiful. So it's gonna be like a layered necklace. You have the short one, and then you have the long one. And here's what's at the bottom. Is that not beautiful? That is totally, totally beautiful. This is me. Okay, so give me a minute. I'm gonna come right back and show it to you. Okay, hopefully y'all can see this and I can keep it on here without dropping it. Here is the actual set. You will see the pendant at the bottom, right here. Oh, totally beautiful. And then above it is a shorter necklace, and then the earrings. What do you guys think? I am loving this set. I guess it comes in probably gold and rose gold. I think this is just gold. Super pretty, super cute. I like the idea of there being 2 necklaces. I love to wear 2 necklaces. And those just look perfect together. This little beaded one here, I mean, you could wear that on its own as a short little necklace. And they are pierced earrings, which is up here. And like I said, down at the bottom, you've got the little that up a little bit. Let's see if I can pull, now I'm messing it up. Okay. So you do have the little stone at the bottom. It looks like it's got a kind of like a green or turquoise to it, like really light though. Okay, so that was an awesome opening for my jewelry subscription. I've been looking at some others to try that are around in the same price point to get some comparison to others, maybe like putting one up against the other, seeing which one actually did a better job. So if you can think of an inexpensive jewelry subscription that is around the same pricing, which this one is $15.99, let me know below and I will get both of those and do a video on which one is the best one or which one is more affordable and has the better deal for your buck, like the better bang for your buck. So excited to do that, but this was great. This was July's Mint Mongoose, and I have a referral link below. If you use that, you should be able to get, I don't know if you get a free item or money off, but use the link, you'll get something. So thank you again for stopping by my channel. Thank you for hanging out with me, of those who always come and hang out with me. I appreciate it. If you're not subscribed right now, go below, hit the subscribe button. There's a bell. Hit that. You'll know when I put out new videos, and I'm trying to at least put out 3 to 4 every week. And then either like or dislike the video. I mean, if you didn't like the video, then dislike it. I'm okay with that. I prefer likes, of course, but tells me how I'm doing. So once again, I will put in the videos that I talked about through this video, and you will find iCards above. You will find any kind of pictures that I want to put in the picture-in-picture. But like I said, awesome. It was a great box for July. So thank you again, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.